Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we bring you an exciting and powerful masterpiece from the world of supercars, the Ferrari 488 Pista Spider. This car represents pure racing DNA combined with the thrill of open-top driving, making it one of the most breathtaking machines Ferrari has ever created. In this video, we explore its design, performance, engineering, and everything that makes the 488 Pista Spider a true icon in modern automotive history. The Ferrari 488 Pista Spider is not just a car, it is an experience, a sensation, and an expression of Ferrari's dedication to speed and excellence. The exterior of the Ferrari 488 Pista Spider is sculpted for performance. Every curve, every vent, and every aerodynamic element is designed to create downforce, reduce drag, and keep the car glued to the road at high speeds. Its aggressive front fascia, signature Ferrari LED headlights, muscular side intakes, and lightweight carbon fiber components give it a dynamic presence that instantly commands attention. When the roof folds down, the entire character of the car transforms, offering the driver an emotional connection with speed, wind, and the unmistakable sound of Ferrari's engine. Under the hood lies a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which is one of the most powerful version 8s Ferrari has ever built. Producing around 710 horsepower and 770 Nm of torque, the 488 Pista Spider rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 2.8 seconds. This level of acceleration is not just fast, it is breathtaking. The top speed reaches approximately 340 km/h, giving the driver a true taste of racing performance. The engine sound alone, sharp and thrilling, makes every drive an unforgettable moment. Ferrari's engineers have tuned the turbos, exhaust, and transmission to deliver instant power and razor-sharp responsiveness, giving the driver complete control over this beast. The lightweight construction plays a huge part in the character of the 488 Pista Spider. Ferrari has used carbon fiber for many body panels, wheels, interior components, and aerodynamic elements to bring the weight down. This reduction enhances speed, handling, agility, and braking performance. The car's advanced aerodynamics, borrowed from Ferrari's GT racing cars, generate massive downforce to keep the car stable during sharp turns and high-speed maneuvers. The result is a convertible supercar that handles like a true track machine. Inside the 488 Pista Spider, Ferrari has created a driver-focused cockpit with a perfect blend of racing minimalism and luxury. The cabin is filled with Alcantara, carbon fiber, high-quality stitching, and lightweight materials. The steering wheel is equipped with Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, allowing the driver to switch between different driving modes like sport, race, and track settings. The seats are designed for comfort at high speeds, giving support during aggressive driving while still being comfortable enough for longer journeys. The digital instrument cluster gives real-time information about speed, engine performance, driving statistics, and more, making it easy for the driver to stay connected with the car. One of the best parts of the Ferrari 488 Pista Spider is the open-top driving experience. With the retractable hardtop, the driver can enjoy the sound of the engine more clearly, feel the wind, and connect with the road in a way that only a convertible Ferrari can offer. Whether cruising through city streets or accelerating on open highways, the car gives a feeling of freedom and intensity that few vehicles in the world can match. Ferrari has also equipped this supercar with advanced technology to ensure that the power remains usable and safe. Features like side slip control, high-performance traction management, carbon ceramic brakes, and advanced stability systems ensure that the driver can push the car harder while maintaining control. These technologies work together seamlessly to provide confidence and precision, even at extreme speeds. In terms of exclusivity, the Ferrari 488 Pista Spider stands out as a rare and collectible supercar. Produced in limited numbers, it has already gained a strong reputation among enthusiasts and collectors around the world. The combination of track-focused performance, convertible design, and Ferrari's engineering excellence makes it a dream car for many people. Overall, the Ferrari 488 Pista Spider is a celebration of speed, engineering, and passion. It brings together the thrill of high-performance racing with the joy of open-top driving. From its powerful V8 engine to its lightweight construction, From its aerodynamic design to its luxurious interior, everything about this car is crafted to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Whether you are a supercar fan, a Ferrari lover, or someone who enjoys automotive excellence, the 488 Pista Spider represents the pure magic of Italian performance. Thank you for watching the video on Autoland 2025. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more amazing supercar content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring more exciting videos. I see you next video.